So, hello everyone. Today we have a job update from Capgemini and the job role is V&V Automation. If you are thinking what is V&V Automation, it is nothing but verification and validation automation testing. And if you look into the application deadline, it is 26th of December. So you will need to apply as soon as possible after watching this video. So you might not miss this opportunity. So, and the CTC for this role is 3 lakhs per annum. And if you look into that salary breakup, it is 3.25 LPA, where the 3 lakh will be your CTC and 25,000 will be your one time incentive. And let's scroll down and see the role overview and everything. So, in this role, you will be focusing on verification and validation automation testing. You will be playing a crucial role in ensuring the quality and reliability of the software system. This is an entry level position and it is ideal for the individuals who is passionate about software testing and development. So now let's see the key responsibilities where they have mentioned like 6 key responsibilities that includes test automation development, verification and validation, test planning and execution, defect management, tool utilization, and continuous improvement. Now, let's see the required skills here. They are requiring a candidate who has a strong understanding of programming languages such as Java, Python, or C Sharp. And you should have the knowledge of test automation frameworks such as Selenium, TestNG, JUnit, Appium, and you should have the basic understanding of software testing concept, SDLC and STLC. And you should be familiar with the CI or CD tools such as Jenkins or GitLab. And also you should be having a problem solving and debugging skills. And the education qualification that is required for this role is BSc IT or CS and BCA. Then there are few preferred skills and soft skills where the preferred skills are you should have a basic knowledge of APIs and tools like Postman for API testing, and you should have the exposure to databases and SQL for validating test data, and you should have a hands-on experience with the version control tool like Git. And the soft skill that is required for this role is you should have a strong communication skill and a teamwork ability, attention to detail and ability to learn quickly, and eagerness to work in a collaborative and fast-paced environment. Yeah, that's about this role. If you want to make your resume shortlisted for this role, try to add all the keywords that is mentioned here, such as Java, Python, C Sharp, Selenium, TestNG, JUnit, Appium, SDLC, software testing concept, STLC, CAI/CD or Jenkins or GitLab, and other things. And then this may actually increase your chances of getting your resume shortlisted. So that's it. If you're looking for the link, you can actually get it in the description. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends.